Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shamno here. RC bashing season is about to start with these three awesome 1/18th scale off-road RC vehicles sitting right before me. These are the newest high-boxing 1/18th scale off-road series RC vehicles geared towards your liking. You like the RC truck? You can go for the Blaster XL. You like truggies? You can go for the Hailstorm XL. And if you are a buggy boy, you can go for the Gallop XL. So batteries are fully charged, but before we bring them out and get them dirty, let us take a look at the Blaster XL truck and its features. First off, it's using a 2.4 GHz proportional radio control system. The truck shell is PVC, beautifully crafted shell with attractive color scheme and stickers, which you have to put all by yourself to customize the looks of your truck and its shell. High grip off-road rubber wheels with V-treads. For sure they are going to offer you good traction on all kind of terrains. Truck features an independent front and rear suspension system. There's a high-speed steering servo to give you a quick steering response for precision control. The truck has a central drive shaft 4-wheel drive system with front and rear geared differential boxes. Shock absorbers on the truck are simply spring-loaded shock absorbers. The truck is powered by a 7.4 volt 650 milliamp Li-ion battery. The truck is using an RC380 brushed motor, old yet powerful enough, and also brushed motors are much more efficient to give you more drive time. Also, you notice an anodized aluminum heat shrink installed on the motor, so it will cool the motor down during the drive and keep it in operating temperatures. So in slow mode, there isn't much speed. As you can see, it's like lame, really lame. And when you put it on normal, just like this, that's where the fun begins. Now you can hit the road, dirt, and off-road, because in that slow mode, no way you're gonna do this. Still, it feels like that the performance is not as good as the truggy or the buggy, but hey, at least it's traversing the sand and desert better than the buggy because of its oversized wheels. Back to our wall, this little wall, that was a nice little jump to our wall, and we can try to jump here as well. This is my favorite thing to do, that is scaling the dune wall or dune surfing. That was the little tiniest jump you could ever have. Okay, now I had a good one. Hold on. You see, when the shocks get stuck, one wheel is up, down, and it's disturbing the 4-wheel drive system. So, high boxing, you gotta do something about the shocks. Let's scale the wall again. Yes, I can feel it. It's not as powerful as the truggy. Truggy is the best among these all three. Buggy is fast and nice. Handles the sand pretty good on fast mode or normal mode, but truck seems to be having a little bit of issue. One moment, let me set the trims. Yeah, I'm having not that good performance as I expected, or maybe because I drove the truggy, which was the best. and faster. Seems like it's losing power. Maybe, possible that I did not charge the battery fully. I was charging lots of batteries all together, and the way it's losing power, it seems I didn't charge the battery properly. Nonetheless, in normal mode, it is doing very well. Let's see after fully charged battery how long we can play with it. So I have to give up for now. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?